Scientific Automotive is Pasadena's finest service center for discerning Porsche owners. We are located at 1070 East Walnut Street on the corner of Wilson and Walnut just east of Lake. We provide independent Porsche service in our state-of-the-art facility, including factory scheduled maintenance, engine service and repair, performance upgrades and restoration services. So please call us at 626-795-7018 for expert service you can count on.